In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Microsoft Edge. Whether you're switching users or simply want to clear your profile from the browser, logging out can be done in a few easy steps. This process will help you ensure that your browsing data and preferences are kept secure and personal. So let's dive right in and walk through each step carefully. First, we need to open the Microsoft Edge browser on your computer. Just find the Edge icon on your desktop or in your Start menu and give it a click to launch the browser. Once you're inside, you'll want to turn your attention to the upper right corner of the Edge window. There you'll notice a three-dot menu. This is often referred to as the More Options or Settings menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings area, take a look at the left-hand panel. You'll see a range of tabs and options here. We're specifically looking for a section titled Profiles. Click on Profiles and it will open a set of options on the main area of the window. Right, let's find your profile name. Beside your name, you should spot a button that says Sign Out. This button is your next stop. With one simple click on Sign Out, Edge will prepare to disconnect your account from the browser. When you attempt to sign out, a prompt will pop up to give you important information about what this means for your data. It will notify you that by signing out, any changes made to favorites, history, passwords, and other settings won't sync to your Microsoft account anymore. If you plan to use Microsoft Edge again with this account on any device, you will need to sign back in. There's also an optional step here. If for any reason you want to clear your browsing data from the device entirely, look for a checkbox that says something like clear favorites, history, passwords, and other browsing data from this device. Check this box if you're sure you want to remove this data from your current device. Finally, you'll need to click Sign Out again to confirm your decision, and with that you are officially logged out of Microsoft Edge. All done. You've secured your data and ensured that your browsing information remains private. So whether you're lending your computer to a friend or just want to switch over to a different account, you can rest easy knowing how to log out efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy browsing.